Welcome to another video with www.homepainter.co.za. Today we're looking at extremely high quality paint with a very high guarantee. How do we get there? Well, if you notice the shiny paint above the concrete there, that's because the paint is formulated to be shiny. Unfortunately, you won't find this in the shops as they are selling matte. The reason is because it hides imperfections, like you can see the texture undulating surface of the waterproofing there. And this shows up blemishes. Thus the general market sell a matte paint. Also economies of scale, they don't want you coming back every 20 years. They'll prefer you to come back every 3 to 5 years. But have a look at that shine on that wall, for example. This is how we get to those guarantees. So it's like a bowl of marbles with the pigments encapsulated in this level of the water above the marbles. As soon as you add water to paint, the marbles get exposed, and that's what makes the matte, as it scatters the light. If you'd like your home to perform with incredibly long guarantees, reach out to us and make it a great day.